have rhinoceros, elephant, and then starfish. This is lion. This is squid, octopus, giraffe, a zebra, turtle, shark, we have tiger, tripang, bear, panda bear, gorilla, deer, this is crab, jaguar, we have whale, lobster, and stingray, marlin fish, hippopotamus, and then the last is white shark.